Hey guys, hope you are doing great. So in this video, I'll try to solve this question on lead code in JavaScript. I already solved it and submitted it. You can see my submission says success. So I'll first explain the problem and then suggest you a solution, or just explain you the solution which I just wrote in JavaScript. So it's a simple question. We basically have to convert a Roman number into its corresponding integer value. So they have defined it. I'll anyways share the link of this lead code question in the video description. So stands for 1, V stands for 5. Like you must have seen this Roman number thing in your schools. There are some examples. For example, this I will becomes 3, and then so for the details of the problem, you can go through the problem. The tricky part is so when you encounter three ones, so 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3, but 4 is not 1 plus 1 plus 1, like I 4 times I, it is like I and V. So that's the tricky thing. So we have to deal with that. For example, here M is 1000, but CM is 900, and then XC, so XC is 90, and then IV is 4. So how to deal with it? I'll just talk about it. So I'll try to write the code again. Let me get rid of what I wrote. Yeah. So it's an empty function now. Yeah. So the tricky part is so sometimes when we encounter M, we know it is 1000, so we can just write 1000. But we encounter C, we might not know that if it is just C or CM. As in, sometimes sometimes in this case, one you can directly do I plus I plus I. It would be 1 plus 1, that would be 3. But IV makes, as in, these two characters have mean a number, right, which is 4. This is 1 plus 1 plus 1 3, but this is not like that. Similarly, like this. So what we can do is we can have a map like this, where symbols equal to an object, and then I will correspond to 1, and V would mean 5. I'm just copying pasting all this, and X would mean 10, and L would mean 50, and would mean 100, and D would mean 500, and M, capital M, would mean 1000. So I just copied pasted all of them, and there's more representations, like IV would mean 4 and IX would mean 9. So I'll make those entries as well. IV would mean 4 and IX would mean 9, and similarly XL would mean you can see 40 and 90. Will make entries for these two also, 40, and XC would mean 90, and similarly CD would mean 400, and CM would mean 900. we'll first create a map like this, and then what we'll do. So for example, this I plus I triple I. So will just encounter each character and keep adding it. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 3. So IV is there, is 4. So it is as it is. IX is 9. Similarly, LVIII is L is 50, V is 5, I is 1 1 1 3. We'll start with first letter, right, and uh, go along. If we will also have to check the next letter. For example, if we have C, if we find C, we'll have to see if we can add C as it is, or we have to consider CM as one number. You can see CM is 900, XC, right, IV. So instead of a for loop where we increment one iteration, one at a time, we increase the counter by one every time. We'll do a while loop. We'll do something like this, where I equal to 0, while we'll run a while loop instead of a for loop, while I is less than s dot is length, and we will do something like this. So we will do where C, which is the current character, is S I, and where next we will also have Si plus 1. We'll take care of, we'll have both the values. Why? Because when we encounter C, we need to know whether if we combine the next character and it makes CM, right? We have to make sure. So what we can do is we can do something like this. If symbols, if symbol C plus next, if it is a value, right, if it is found in this, otherwise it will be undefined and we will get null. If it is found in this, then we'll have the output number where num equal to 0. We'll do num plus equal to symbols C plus next. If it is found, right, and we will increment the counter by 2, not by 1. And if it is not found inside this, then we just take the value of the current symbol. So we can do num plus equal to symbols C, and then I will increment it by 1. So at the end of this loop, we'll have the final sum. So we'll try to run it. So this is working for it. I have submitted it, so it will work. If I submit it again, I'll show you for this test case. So even for this it is working. I've submitted it and it is working for all of them. I'm not sure if I can resubmit it. Let me try to do it. Yeah, so I can resubmit it. I just resubmitted it and it's the submission is successful. So I'll close this video, and please like, subscribe. Possibly I'll keep putting a lot of solutions in JavaScript. See you guys.